Good evening, folks. This is your Tri-County Weather Service 7 p.m. update. I'm Tri-County Weather Service Chief Meteorologist James Follett. The heat continues for tomorrow. Risk of thunderstorms for tomorrow night. I'll show that in a little bit. And it's going to be dry for the long weekend. So plenty of sunshine to enjoy and lots of beach weather. Take a look at the current conditions. 21 degrees right now in St. John's under a few clouds. 25 is the feel-like temperature. A dew point of 14. Humidity at 62%, the winds from the west at 10 kilometers per hour. That means we have a comfortable air mass out there since the dew points are at 14. That means some wavy hair conditions as well. Take a look now at the beautiful webcam over Sandy Point Lighthouse, where it is a beautiful 23 degrees. Earlier at the 6 o'clock hour, we were showing some people out on the beach enjoying the sunshine. Now the tide has started to come in. And we see no one out there, but beautiful blue skies, not a cloud in the sky, watching that sunset come down. Lots of beautiful water out there. Look at the satellite radar right now. We do see that we are mostly clear, actually, as shown by the webcam here. But if we take a look at the satellite, we can see that it's pretty clear over the province of Nova Scotia, but we do have a few systems to talk about. We have one system right over Quebec here, and another gigantic tropical system down to the south. Unfortunately, these two are going to miss us, so we're going to stay dry right through into middle part of next week. We do have a little bit of rain coming in from the Quebec system that will bring us a few thunderstorms. But overall, this big system here is going to miss us. And we also have a few other tropical systems to talk about. We have a system that is right over here in the Dominican Republic that is going to bring a chance for maybe some tropical development over the next couple of days. And so we're going to be watching this very closely, as this could develop into a tropical storm. Also watching a couple other systems down into the mid-Atlantic as well, and over off the coast of Africa, where they could also develop into something much bigger. So the tropics is finally heating up during as we get into the month of August, and also a new weather pattern coming in for later part of next week with some much more needed rain. Overall, we are looking at those beautiful clear skies right now. Let's take a look at the radar. Looking at closer to home here, we see that much of the province is dry. However, there is a little bit of thunderstorm activity over parts of New Brunswick right now. And as the sun goes down, these are daytime heated thunderstorms. So these thunderstorms are just going to rip apart as we get through the evening hours. And it will show here actually on the radar that these storms here in New Brunswick are just going to fade out, and they're not going to actually reach our area. Take a look at the futurecast now, taking us out over the next several hours into Monday, tracking those thunderstorms here. Here's how it looks. So this is for tonight into Sunday. We're looking at those clear skies, but the best chance of thunderstorms don't move in until we get into the latter part of Sunday night into Monday from that area of low pressure over Quebec. That is going to bring us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms here in the province by right around 3 in the morning. So the overnight hours on Saturday into Sunday is when we can expect those best chance of thunderstorms again. Best chance of thunderstorms overnight Saturday into Sunday morning. Some pretty good ones too. We're talking about over at Digby area. We're looking at 9 to even 10 to 50 millimeters of rainfall from these thunderstorms. So a good beneficial rain that will eventually move southward towards Shelburne, where you can see rainfall amounts of 10 to 15 millimeters. And that finally fades out as we get into the early morning hours of Sunday, and it clears out Sunday afternoon. And then we're dry, a couple showers possible Sunday afternoon for the Liverpool and Bridgewater area, but for the Tri-Counties it will be dry, and we stay dry all the way into Tuesday and Wednesday, I can't rule out that we may see some drizzle or light showers for Monday, or I think the model is overdoing it. I think we're going to stay dry for much of Monday as high pressure continues to hold true. And then we're going to see some dry conditions into Tuesday. Some nasty thunderstorms over New Brunswick for Tuesday that may make its way here Wednesday as well. So a chance of some thunderstorms on Wednesday, and they could be some pretty strong thunderstorms here too. Some heavy thunderstorms, but over 25 millimeters of rainfall, possibly 25-30 millimeters of thunderstorms on Wednesday. So chance of thunderstorms on Wednesday, and they will persist into Wednesday afternoon as well into Thursday. So we got a good chance of rain here for the rest of the week. Take a look at how much rain we could see. We could see a good bit of rainfall accumulation here. Right through for just the next 3 days, we are talking about rainfall amounts potentially up to 16 millimeters. Along the coast, it would be a lot less, between 2 and 4 millimeters. Over the next 5 days, we'll see very little rain amounts, additional millimeter, but in the next 10 days, we could see upwards of 50 millimeters thanks to those heavy thunderstorms for Wednesday afternoon. Let's take a look now at the forecast now, starting with the hourly forecast. 6 p.m. mostly sunny skies we had and 21 degrees. That holded true. We look like we're going to see those mostly clear skies persist into the overnight hours. 9 o'clock was clear, 19. 17 degrees and partly cloudy at midnight. Partly cloudy at 3 a.m. and 15 degrees, and then mostly sunny skies 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. with temperatures rising to 20 degrees by 9 o'clock. Tonight, partly cloudy, 14 degrees, southwest winds 20, becoming light overnight tonight. Tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, 27 degrees, winds south-southeast 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow night, we'll see that risk of thunderstorms, southwest winds 10 to 20 kilometers per hour, 17 degrees. And as we get into the long weekend, it looks like this. Sunny and hot for Saturday and 27. Some fog along Yarmouth and Shelburne coastal areas on Sunday, but overall it's a mostly sunny day. 26 degrees, and a refreshing air mass comes in for Monday with temperatures of 23 degrees and a low of 14. Monday's the pick of the week because that's when we're going to have no humidity, lots of sunshine, and much more comfortable temperatures in the low 20s. For the next 7 days, starting with Digby County, looking at dry weather right through to Wednesday, with temperatures of 26 tomorrow, 23 Sunday, 21 on Monday, and beautiful day there. 26 and sunshine on Tuesday, 25 with increasing clouds on Wednesday. Rain and showers return for Thursday and Friday with temperatures of 25 and 28 degrees. For Yarmouth County, sun and clouds for tomorrow and 25. Sun and clouds on Sunday with fog patches and 24, 22 on Monday with sunshine, 26 and sunshine on Tuesday, 25 and sun and clouds on Wednesday, and then cloudy skies 25 Thursday and rain on Friday and 27. As we get into the Shelburne area, looking at sunny skies and hot temperatures for tomorrow, 27 degrees, sun and clouds with fog on Sunday and 26, sunshine on Monday and 23, sunshine and hot temperatures on Tuesday at 27, 27 Wednesday with increasing clouds, showers and rain for Thursday and Friday, with temperatures still pretty warm at 26 and 27 degrees. That's your Tri-County Weather Service 7 o'clock weather update. I'm Tri-County Weather Service Chief Meteorologist James Watt. Have a great evening.